Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Nginx caching for faster VPS sites. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, ensure you have Nginx installed. You can verify this by running the command nginx v. Next, open your Nginx configuration file for editing. Typically, you can find this at /etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Use a text editor like Nano or Vim. For example, enter nano/etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Scroll to the server block section. Here, you will add the caching configuration. First, define a cache path. You can do this by adding the line proxy_cache_path/var/cache/nginx levels equals 1:2 keys_zone. Make sure the directory exists. You can create it by running dir p/var/cache/nginx. Now, set appropriate permissions on this directory. Use the command chownar www.data at www.data/var/cache/nginx. Next, configure caching for specific server locations. Within your server block, add location/, then, inside this block, add proxy_cache my_cache. Continue with Next, add caching headers for better performance. Include proxy_cache_valid 200-302-10 mobile. Add proxy_cache_valid. To enable cache purging, add a separate location block. For example, location/purge, inside, use allow your _IP_address, replace your _IP_address, add deny all, to restrict access to others. Lastly, test your configuration for syntax errors. Run the command nginx. If there are no errors, restart Nginx to apply changes. Use the command system to restart Nginx. Your Nginx caching is now enabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.